Hello everyone, and I apologize if this what I'm recording and what I want to show you is different than usual. So you are always expecting from me some customization, some custom theme for Windows, but today I want to share something with you and I want to show you what I'm working. I'm working as aluminum welder, and that means I'm also grinding and I need to prepare material to weld, and because all of that it becomes very dirty in the air, and most present are the aluminum particles that I inhale during the work. That's why I use welding helmet with a filter. The model of helmet is Kemppi Gama GH3. The one that I have comes with two filters. So these are some of my welds, and these are my good fellas. Let's see how these filters are working. Here I have pre-filter, and then there is a main filter. Both of them are new and clean, non-used of course. I will put them together and I'm ready to do my job. Let's see what it will look like after 8 hours of work. So these are results from the first day of the use, and you can already see that the filter, actually the pre-filter, is a little bit dirty. Now let's move on the second day of the use, so that would be 15 hours of work, and we can already see how much the filter is dirt. This is day number 3. This is day number 4, and of course it's getting more dirty and it's getting more dust sticking to the filter. So these are the final results. So this is day number 5, and here's how the filter looks like after 5 days of work. Now it's all depending what you're doing, what you're welding, how much do you grinding aluminum, and in what conditions do you work. I'm replacing the pre-filter every 2 days, and I'm replacing the main filter every 2 weeks. So after 5 days you can see how much dust is in the filter, and the main filter is bigger and it's reducing a lot of the dust, so I'm replacing it every 2 weeks. In the end, I can say thumbs up for Kemppi for making this helmet with these filters. Also, I need to say that this video is not sponsored by Kemppi. I'm only sharing this with you, only to show you what I'm doing and how much welding can be dirty. So please, if you can, it would be good to have a good equipment when you're welding, especially when you're welding aluminum, and also if you're grinding aluminum and if you have preparing of material to weld. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.